Good afternoon, viewers.
Uh, I once again welcome you in Mangesh Mathematical Trading. Today is 13th of March, Wednesday. Bank Nifty weekly expiry day. Time right now is 33 minutes past 12, 12:33 p.m. Almost half of the market is complete now. Before going forward, I would like to uh, give one caution. Okay, the method which I show you, they are absolute mathematical method invented by me. They have nothing to do with GAN or any other mathematical setup. So many of my members, they conveyed me, sir, nowadays many telegrams are coming up with your name, Mangesh Mathematical Trading, even the same logo. So whatever is to be done on legal front, that is been done. But it's my duty to tell you, in my Telegram channel, I give you only education. Through my YouTubes also, I make only educational videos. I am not at all say to any PMS system. I'm totally against trade which are not regulated or regularized or legalized by government of India. That is crypto or forex. I do not have any other service. So uh, whosoever are resorting to some other Telegram group, so-called Mangesh Mathematical Trading, they are solely responsible with whom they are dealing. Okay, this is just a word of caution to you. You just to make sure with whom you are dealing. You've seen my face. Okay. Now that's sufficient. Let's go ahead with today's trade. Today it was a very fabulous day. Why do I say so? The moment we got pre-open, we were very well knowing today there will be a big rally in Nifty, not in Bank Nifty, but in Nifty. How could I say so? Uh, how the trades would have panned out today. That is the reason why I'm making this video. Let's go now straight on chart. Let's share the chart now. First, let's see Nifty charts. Okay. We will go on Nifty first. So this is Nifty. I will start exactly narrating just like how I start the day. First of all, you get the pre-open, right? So now we will see pre-open, and the pre-open you get on the site of National Stock Exchange. You could see pre-open market. You get it at 7 minutes past 9:52. So pre-open was 47,341.15. Okay. 47.3, and it was 58 points above 341.15. It was showing 58.75. Now on the having found this, we went ahead and make some calculations, and they were displayed on my Telegram even before the market started. You could see 912, 913, and Nifty SPP was 98.45. Now I will tell you the importance of SPP today. SPP is not only used to actual tick trades, but SPP also indicates on which day you will have a very big move. How come? Now just see, SPP value is 98.45. So 98.45 I'm writing over here. Now just see what was the previous close. Okay, what was the previous close of Nifty? So now let's go on Nifty and see the previous close. The previous close on 5 minute was, I'm just taking the 5 minute close. If you will see the close on daily chart, you will find it different because a daily close is derived at by averaging last 30 minutes trade. So I'm not talking about that. And on 5 minute, the close was 22,333.7. So 22,333.7. You add this, and what figure you get? I'm telling you the use of SPP. another use of SPP. You just add this to 98.45 plus 22,333.7 and you get 22,432.15. It's 432.15. So whenever it's a rule, you can say almost 100% successful rule. Whenever today's open is greater than, see today's open, pre-open I'm talking about. It was 341.15. Actual was 341.15. When today's open is greater than previous day's close plus SPP, this was previous day's close, this is SPP, close plus SPP was 432.15 and you could see today's open was greater than that. On that day, you get a very big rally. So is the case when today's open is less than previous day's close on 5-minute chart minus SPP. Below that, if today market opens, then you get a very big rally. Now, listen to me very carefully. I have said you get a big rally. I have not suggested which way. For that, we will have to go into the chart. For finding which way, we will need to go into the chart. So this is Nifty chart. So even before market started on the basis of pre-open, we were knowing that we will have a big rally today. Understood? Go back to this. I mean, if you're not understood, go back and just replay the video and you can see it. Okay. Then see, then second comes the levels that I post. Daily levels are also posted. You could see 912. So here it's bearish below 22,380. It's showing it's bearish below 22,380 and bullish above 22,483. So now this is it's a 103 point difference between bearish below and bullish above level. So now what we do instead of waiting for this match, you see what we did, you must have seen my last video. This is the first 5-minute candle. So what I did, first 5-minute candle, high plus 0.2611. So I call it North Pole. First 5-minute candle low minus 0.2611. I call it South Pole. So North Pole is high, South Pole is low. Then I derive the distance, this minus this, and then multiply it by 26.11%. Okay, 26.11%. Now, after multiplying it by 26.11%, suppose you get this high minus low difference multiplied by 26.11%. Then suppose you get the figure X. Then I add X into low and then I get Tropic of Capricorn. And the same X I subtract from high or from North Pole. This X I will minus or subtract from this and then I will get a Tropic of Cancer. This is how the levels are to be done. A detailed video is made and so that is already on air. You can see this. So this is Cancer. You can see this. Okay. In the same manner, this calculation is made. I will not go into detail once I explained you. And upper and lower level. Now, this is a 5-minute chart. The upper level cannot be seen. I will just change the time frame and probably you could see. See now, the upper level is 505. You could see upper level 505. So that's the upper level. 505 upper level. Lower level is 328. This is Capricorn. This is Capricorn. And this is Cancer. Okay. And see, it broke below that, Capricorn and Cancer. Now, I call it a Triveni Sangam. I mean, this level you have to club it with option prices. Okay. So now let's go to the option chart. Since this was the close was 393.5, the prices that we select is that they are different today. So this was a different calculation today. I will not go into the detail of it, or else the video will be too lengthy. But we selected 22,350 call, 22,450 put, and then we swap the highs and lows. Clearly, you see the options are always equal and opposite. So those who wants to buy option can go into the direction of a green candle closing above the upper line, and those who want to sell, they can go into the direction of a red candle closing below the lower line. So that's it. This is the first candle that closed below the lower line. This is the first candle that closed above. Then there is a pattern called ABC or vertical candle pattern. Vertical candle pattern, we just see a red candle high plus square root of it. Above that, the green candle should close. So now see this particular candle. The red candle high is 119.10 plus square root of 119.10, and above that, the put has closed 135.65, and a green candle low 120 minus square root of green candle low. So 120 minus square root of 120. Below that, red candle should close. So this red candle has closed below that. This one I'm talking about, the third one. Okay. So that's it. And here we found the entry, and that's all. Now see the timing. The timing is 9:25. Now let's come on chart and see 9:25 what has happened. It has crossed below Capricorn. Not only this, you can go into, see, there are many things to cross check. See this level, it was bearish below 380.88. It was bearish below 380.88. Precisely that is the level. So that is some other method. The one which is in Excel, that is some other method. And this method, no. What is the need of these two calculations that I will show you at the time of back Nifty. So this clearly a conjunction of three is three. Conjunction of call, put, and spot. Nifty spot. Triveni Sangam we call it. This is showing you I'm going to break down. Nifty says I'm going to break down. Call says I'm going to go up. Put says I'm going to go down. Plus, in the morning itself, the Nifty has told you today there will be a very big run. I have explained all to you. So now what remains is the target. You just go on, add 121 plus 26.11 plus 50 plus 73.89 plus 1% plus 1.2611 plus 1.5 plus 1.7389 plus 2 plus 2.2611, so on and so forth. Okay, 26.11 and that 126, 226, 326, you can go on and on and on. And then what happened? Second rule. See, there is a difference between first rule and second rule. We saw previous day close plus SPP. Above that, if price goes. Now, second rule is if today is high, if there is a difference between today's high and low, which is more than the SPP, then also you will get a big rally. In short, today's high was 22,446.75. 22,446.75 minus SPP, which was 98.45. So if price goes below 22,348.3, you will have a bigger rally. 348.3, and see, just see over here. It went below 348.3, this candle. So here also, this is the second rule. This is totally intraday. Today's high minus SPP. If price goes below that, you will get a big rally. This is the second use of SPP. You will have to go back to the video time and again and listen to it. I'm not talking any fluff. I'm absolutely talking in mathematics. Everything is pinpoint, complete, whole, and perfect. You know you will get a bigger rally. Now, vice versa, just now Bank Nifty today gave a very big rally right from candle one, but not Nifty. Sorry, Nifty gave, but not Bank Nifty. Why? Let's see that. Okay, now this is Bank Nifty. Okay, now let us apply the same logic. Yesterday's close was 42,277.30. Okay, 277.30. And today's pre-open of Bank Nifty, I will just show you over here. Yeah, Nifty Bank is 47,341.15. 341.15. So 341.15 and so this. So 277.30 plus 341.15 is 618. Only if today's open or price would have gone above yesterday's close plus SPP, which is 47,618, then only a big rally could have come. Okay, that's why you didn't see that much big rally. It's amazing. It's almost 2.2 times more. Bank Nifty is almost more than 2.2, 2.4 times than Nifty. T is around 22 and this is 47. But still, today's Nifty's rally is bigger than in numbers than the Bank Nifty rally. This is the reason it was not showing it. And now see whatever is the high, 468.4, 468.4 minus SPP. Let us go on SPP again, which is 343.4, 125. So 125, you will just see 47, 125. I will just draw it and you will see it's loitering over there. See, this is 140. Let me draw 125, 47, 125. It's not falling much down. See, 125. This is the candle. You're not finding any two complete candle. This is the only big candle. Bought price came down. Whenever price is coming to this level, it's finding support. So that's why I said now it's time. One could book profit in Nifty because at least till now, Bank Nifty is not showing a fall further. You understood, you must have understood by now why Nifty gave a bigger move today than Bank Nifty, how we could have identified the trend. And now last thing about Bank Nifty, since the close was near, this is the close 47,422. Let's go over here and this is 47,400 call and put base swapped. You could clearly see now when to take a position. Just see. You will say if one is closing below the lower black line, the other has to close above the upper black line. This is not closed. Now this is closed. Now you will say, Mangesh, this is the line is 204.45 and the close is 204.9. Just say this 204.9. Then why we couldn't take a buy call over here? Two reasons. You see the big weak. The weak is bigger than the body. So this is clearly shows a refusal of price. No rocket science is needed. And I told you they should be equal and opposite. Now at this time, if call is below the open, put should go above the open. Unless put goes above the open, it will not be a valid entry. Now see the price of the today's open. It's 209.25 and see this, it's 204. So unless price goes above 209.25 as well as the upper line, it will not go further. And then you got opportunity over here. Straight opportunity you got over here. It is closed above. Now see, it has closed above open. And one, two, thrice it tried, it went above the open but came down and finally it succeeded over here. 1120 and at 1120 Nifty was, see this particular, again same. This is South Pole. Let me change the timing and show you. Let me go on 1 hour chart. Okay. See this. This is 565 is North Pole, 206 is South Pole, 471 is Tropic of Cancer, and 47,300 is the Tropic of Capricorn. Now just see how they are interrelated and precise. See this candle, 1120 candle, Nifty Bank close below South Pole. Just see. Okay. And exactly on same 1120, since 1120, it went above this. So even though you would have bought at 246, these were the upper targets. All the three targets are hit within no time. Okay, suppose you buy when 10 seconds are remaining for this candle to get complete. So it's a 1120 candle, close will be 1125. You buy at around 1124.50 second to buy. Because you know in 10 seconds, it's not going to travel from 246 odd to 204 downward. So in anticipation, since this is closing above in last 10 seconds you have bought, must have got close to 246 and then within no time it touched this is target number one. This black line plus 26.11. This is target number two plus 50 plus 73.89 and that is it. So these were the trades today, Nifty and Bank Nifty. I have explained the use of, SPP, how in different ways we can use the SPP. SPP calculation I will not be disclosing in video, but daily I post SPP on my Telegram. You can use it and you can use it as I told you now today. Thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.